Okay, good evening po sa lahat po mga basketball fans. Time na again for sa ating basketball action. Friday na basketball action po tayo ngayon. First game po tayo po is QDF playing in yellow and blue combination versus ang white po yan po ang The Projects. The score so far at 7:42 remaining. Ang laman po ay wala. 4-all point score po natin. Jose, no good. Rebound battle by Jose again. Jose. And out of bounds. Out of bounds po tayo. Papapira to. Yun. Okay, thank you po. Yan. Jose, 2 points. Okay. Binababa po ngayon ng QDF ang bola. Mga QDF ball, binababa po nila si Calo. Then, to Z. And binababa po ngayon Z and Duma. No good. Drop one more time. Duma. Malakas pa rin. Nando Jose naman. Jose, 4-6 ang score pa tayo. On the attack, Jose. Wala pilasan si Jose. Hindi yan dahil si Saltiga. Balik muli po. Si Z ang malo. Si Z nagbababola. Z. Mr. Z. Nandun si Jose naman. Jose. Binababa ang boss si Jose. And 37. 2-on-1 situation. Saltiga. No good. What the... Unbelievable. Okay. Balik muli po tayo. Si Camila again. Foul call. Okay, confess the fiesta. Escamilla to Jose again. Jose Saltiga. Jose again. Jose for 3. Ayaw. For 3 nga. For 3 points. No good. Binabababuli po ngayon yan ni Zito. Gabi. Gabi. No good. One more time. No good. Wala pa rin. 4-6 po score at 5:58 remaining. Malakas. Okay, 2 points. 25, 2 points. 2 points po, 2 points. Binababa po ngayon ng QDF number 14 ng bola. To Z again, Z setting up the pace. Si Duma, pumusisyon po si Duma. Ayan, pops up for 3. Bang! 3 points. 3 points been posted by number 28. Na-scored 7-8 po ang score po natin. 7-8 po ngayon. Nice tap out by Gabi. Nice tap out. Nice D by Gabi.
Okay, last position.
Okay, last ball possession po tayo nyo. Handa nyo po sarili nyo. Jose. Turn around. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by the white yellow shirts. Yellow shirts again. Arugay. Binababa ang bola. 28. Scoop shot. 2 points. Okay. Palit player po tayo. Palit player po tayo. This is your host with you, Arvin G. Vlog si Joe. And you're watching the first game for tonight between QDF playing in yellow versus ang white po. Yan po ang team The Projects. Okay, second line po lang. Number 77, number 2, si Simil, si number 13, at si Visto number 2. Wala naman si Visto number 1. Kabila po si Gabi, si Tan, number 15. Of course, si number 30, pops up. Yes, sir. Okay, good. At si number 25 yung ba sa QDF or sa duty free. 4:50 remaining. Lamang na po ngayon ang QDF. Pops up for 3. No good. Again, si Duma nag-rebound. Duma, binababa ang bola. Duma. Number 5 again. Number 5. Tan, kick out pass. No good. Number 2 called for a foul. Okay, Harris siya number 30 for the inbound. Nandiyo naman si Jain din. Number 77 naman. Yung kayong kakampi sa Alforno. And Calo, 28, driving strong. Disha pass kay Duma. Duma, no good. Okay. Jain. Pops up. Visto for 3. No good. Tap out again kay Visto. Visto, binababa ang bola. Kick out pass. No good. Out of bounds. Semil, power move sa ilalim. No good. Up! Blanco. Sa puti pa rin po ang bola, sabi ni Ref King. Go Project, sabi ni Villalaba. Bukan naka-duty si Villalaba ngayon. 3 points. Okay, lamang muli po ang projects ng isa, 10-11. Naka-duty at si Villalaba. Yung kami kasikit. Calo again. Calo driving show. Hoop shot. No good. And Nancy Jane. Visto naman. On the run. Visto. Easy 2. Uy. No contact. Pero of course, nakita ng referee. May contact yan. And for sure take. Number 30 called for a foul. Okay, sabo na po yung 28. Okay. Gabi, palabas muna dahil siya po kanina focus siya. Visto number 2, shooting for 2. Go Project, sabi ni Villalaba. Pops up. No good. Kapos. 3:06 remaining. First quarter action. You're watching the first game for tonight sa ating Friday basketball action between QDF playing in yellow, of course, versus the white team po. Yan po ang the projects. Harsha, no good. Number 2, naka-rebound. Jain naman yung nagbaba ang bola. Jain. Canieto, to Visto again. Malakas, rebound by the yellow shirts. Again, Harsha, binababa Harsha. Harsha, stop. Against Jain. Harsha, dish of pass. Number 17, Gabi. Tan, mo posisyon. Number 25. Duma, nando si Visto. Visto. Taku. Out. Out of bounds. Sir. Okay, balik muli po tayo. 2:04 remaining, 10-13 score po natin. Cañero, no good. Rebound, tap in kay Simil. Simil, oy! Traveling si Simil, sabi ni Boss King. Si Sir Albert Dino Marasigil is watching. Yan, isang timon ng ng QO ng The Oryx. And Gamboa, Tan, nag-iisip, no good. Harsha, kicker Harsha. Harsha, malakas. Isa pa tao. Nice rebound by Harsha. Go again. No good. Rebound, Tan. Tan pops up. No good pa rin. Rebound by one by the white shirt. White shirt sa karibang kagat of 1:17 remaining. Visto, binababang bola. Wala yung kuya yata niya. Si number 2 Visto ngayon naka-posting ngayon. Nandun si Harsha. Tan, dish of pass. Malakas. Jain naman naka-rebound. Nandun si Harsha at stepping on the line pa si Jain. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Balik muli po sa dilawang bola. 25. Harsha, foul call ng Visto. Visto call for a foul. Harsha, number 30, driving, popping. Tapos Simil, Jain naman yung nag-run. Jain running against Harsha. No, it's Visto. 2 points Visto. No foul, sabi ng referee, no foul. 10-15 score po natin. 5-point advantage now by the projects over QDF. 10 seconds remaining. Duma, power move. Duma, Tan, Dukot kay Harsha. Harsha, may foul. Take 2 pa si Harsha. Simil called for a foul. Harsha, Harsha first shot, no good. Second shot, jumpers ready for Harsha. Both baskets never made. Okay, that's the final score for the first quarter. 10-15 ang score po natin. Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Back to the ball game. Second quarter basketball action starts now. Ano to? Ball is white. Ball is white.
Ball is white.
Yeah. Oh, boss. Oh, happy anniversary, pre. Kita ko sa ano, sa feed mo kanina dati talo, nung isang araw. Okay, that's Mayorga. Number 4 again. Lavarias. Camila. Mayorga for 3. No good. Rebound. Number 14. Binababa ang bola now to si Mr. Z. Si Z. Binababa ang bola ni Z. Z pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound. Harsha tip in. Put back by Harsha. 2 points. 12-15 na score pa. 9:29 remaining. Number 4. Jose for 3. No good. Rebound by the white shirts. Sir. And pops up. Nope. It's number 2. To Jose again. Jose against Z. Jose power move. Naku po. Down. Tinutuhod mo daw ang kalaban mo, sabi ng referee. Calo, first personal pa po yan. Okay, number 7. Lavaria 7. Mayorga for 3. Ulob, ayaw, tip, pass kay Jose. No good. Jose muli. 2 points, Jose. 2 points, Jose. 12-17 again. A 5-point advantage again be posted now by Team QR Projects. Foul called. That's Lavarias called for a foul. Down po yan. Inbound po ang Team QDF. Si Mr. Tan for the inbound. Tan, si Z binababang po number 14 again for 3. Malakas. Rebound by Mayorga. Coach Lavarias. Jose again. Jose. And one play kay Jose. No, si Jose wala na kayong maskara. Jose, and one play made for Jose. 12 na score po natin. Okay. Jose, number 32. First shot. Bonus shot rather. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by the yellow shirts. Ay, sorry. Magalaw. And Z again. Nagmamadali si Z. Tan, pops up. 2 points, Tan. Tan, 2 points. Hop, putik na. Z. And si Jose, nandun si Jose. Jose, minamadali. Jose again. Lost the ball. Nice as a play. Again, Jose, nakuha yung bola. Mayorga. Pops up, 2 points. Pumipitik-pitik. Mayorga, 2 points. 7:28 remaining. Second quarter action. It's Camila, sinusunod si Z driving strong. Palpal! Smothered. Block by Jose. 7:13 remaining. Tan, humingi ng bola. Ayaw. Ayan, Tan, kinuha ng bola. Tan, dinagalang bola mo na. Tan, puposisyon to Harsha. Wala muna, pops up. Bang! Number 14, 3 points. That's Arugay. 3 points. 6:48 remaining. Jose. Nawala ang bola. Harsha, coast to coast. Harsha. 2 points, Harsha. 2 points, Harsha. Sorry. Harsha, 2 points. That's over sa swivel. Lavarias, coast Lavarias. Jose, triple teamed. Naku! Malas ang pasa. Okay, don't look now. A 2-point lead advantage now being posted by QR Projects. Tazi. Hop. Foul called. Foul called. Escamilla called for a foul. Calo driving. And it's a traveling violation called. 5:47 remaining. Second lineup po. Handa-handa nyo na. Jose. Binababa ang bola. Nope. Saltiga. Mayorga. Lavarias. Jose again. Pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by the yellow shirts. Z nakalusot. Z driving. Nandun Jose. Whoop! Stepping on the line. Sabi ni referee, tumatapa ka daw. 5:13 remaining. Kick pass. Ayun! 2 points. Naiwan mag-isa. Nice shot. Nice. 5:03 remaining. 21 all. Escat, nanonood pa na dyan. Hindi siya Escat. Mayorga, binabantayan to Coach Lavarias. Jose again. Jose, turn around. Foul call. Number... Okay, second 5 po tayo. Number 28, second personal foul po tayo. The score is 21 all at 4:47 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Okay, si Renzo Manzon is watching. Okay. And Jose po for the aim for the much needed free throws by Jose. Is out. Second shot by Jose. Jumper ready. 4:47 remaining.
Okay. Second throw.
Second throw, Jose, number 32. Second throw. Pops up. Wala pareho. Duma. Good ball. Hard shot, 2 points and... Okay. O, labas muna si Jose para kay number 2. Okay, lamang na naman uli po ang QDF. De Visto. Nandun, malakas ang pasa. Too much pressure, my friend. Gamboa. 4:21 remaining. Calo for 3. Wala. Number 8, Saltiga to Visto. Okay, Visto. And one play made. Visto 2 points plus bonus free throw coming up at 4:08 remaining sa ating larong ito. Okay, Visto number 2. Visto first shot. Nope, rebound. Tap out. Number 15 si Duma nakakuha. Nando si Visto. Visto, sinutot ni Harsha and out of bounds. Okay, labas muna daw. Nalabas si Visto. Balik muli po tayo. Okay, binababa ngayon po ni Gamboa ang bola. 3:45 remaining. Billy Siena is watching also. Sabi nito, is first game pa lang, Boss Siena. Boss Billy, first game pa lang po. Visto, no good. Ariel Amampang is also watching. Okay. Second game po natin po. Teka lang, muntik na yon. Gamboa, no good. Rebound battle by the yellow shirts. Calo, wala. Nandun si number 8. Number 8 ba yan? Yeah, number 8 nga. De Festa, no good. Binato palabas. Mag-aawa pa yung dalawang magkakampi. Ano ba yan? 23 all po tayo. 2:53 remaining. Second quarter action. Drawing to a close. Gamboa. Kick pass. Nando si number 2. Nando si number 30. Harsha. Harsha again. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by number 2. Nandun si Bisto. Bisto number 2. De Festa. 2 points. 2:21 remaining. Bisto, Gamboa, Calo, binapatinahan ni Jain. Calo, kick pass, Duma, Harsha, Gamboa, nandun si Jain. Okay, easy 2 by Jain. Basic. 1:55 remaining. Harsha, number 30, against Jain. Double teamed. Gabi, Gamboa, Harsha, muntik na, Harsha, foul, and 1 play made. Harsha, 2 points plus and 1 play made by Harsha. Okay, number 30, Harsha, shooting for 2. Harsha, number 30, shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by yellow shirts. Calo. 2 points. 4 point. Ginawa nila. 4-point play. Again, deadlock muli po tight. 1:20 remaining. Pops up. Ayaw. Bisto. Thinking 3. Ayaw. Jain. Pops up. Bang! Galing. Jain, 2 points. Nag-time up po ang QDF. 1:08 remaining. Overall score po natin is 27-29. Lamang na po ang The Projects. The Projects, lamang na po tayo. 1:08 remaining po tayo. First half drawing to a close. Back to the ball game. Back to ball game. Back to the ball game. Gamboa for the inbound. 1:08 remaining. QDF number 25. Again to Harsha number 30. Gabi kick pass. Muntik na. And Duma. Floater shot. 2 points. May Duma 2 points. And to Bisto number 2. And no good. Number 2, no good. Harsha again. Against Simil. Binabamatayan ni Simil. 36 seconds remaining. Calo. No good. Rebound battle won by the white shirts. Bisto. Binababa ni Bisto ang bola. Bisto number 2. Bisto. Malakas. Harsha naman. Duma. Uy. White ball. And to Simil, binababa ni Simil. And Bisto again, 5 seconds remaining. Canyeso pops up for 3. Nope. And out of time. Okay, after 2 quarters, tabla po tayo at 29 all. Teka lang po at magpipicture muna po.
Okay, last two.
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. The score is 29-31. Lamang po ng dalawa ang The Projects.
Dalawa free throw.
Okay, of course, since na kulang sila, meron pong dalawang free throw awarded para sa The Projects. Dito pala, dito na. Dalawang free throw po, tag-isang players po, De Fiesta at si Mayorga magpi-free throw po para sa kanila. Ang ruling po kasi dito, pag less than 10 po kasi ang players mo na dumating, meron silang penalty free throws. First shot made. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Ay, wala pa pala. Sige. Mayorga, second throw. Kulang sila kasi ng dalawa eh. Okay, Mayorga. Ngayon, ang score po is 29-33 out of the 2 penalty free throws.
Okay.
Okay, this is your Liga naman lumilipad, ABH of Friendly Dabas of Flying League. Would like to first thank the following sponsors, Team LBC Hanan Padra, Thread the Needles, and of course, nandiyan po ang SPB, SBP, ARA, and PSB Basketball League. And of course, first game po tayo yun, QDF versus The Projects versus, and of course, hingi po tayo, where na nyo dito na kami, Implights versus The Towers. Towers, Implights, nasa na po yun? Nandito na ako, na where na you? Where na you? Dito na me. Okay, Kalo for the inbound. With Kalo po na yung si Duma, si Z, si Tan, si number 14, at si Arugay. Sa kabila po si Visto, si number 2, si 32, si Jose Puya, Escamila, at si number 7 sa The Projects. Tan, nasundot sa likod. Tan, si Tan pa rin, pops up. 2 points, Tan. Consistent sa perimeter si Mr. Tan. 31-33, 9-37 remaining. Visto number 2. Escamila, number 2, Visto again. Jose for 3, pops up. Nope. Rebound again by the yellow shirts. Nandun si Jose. Jose again, Jose. No good, malakas. Binababa ang bola. Naudo, nadusos na naman. Walang foul. Samurai, walang foul. Visto. Visto. Uy! 2 points. Si called for a foul. Take 2, sorry. Take 2 po si Visto. Hindi pala pumasok sa ano. Visto. Pops up. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo at 9:01 remaining. Third quarter action. Visto number 2 again, pops up. It's in. Okay, lamang naman ang 4 ang The Projects. Good ball. Kalo. Si Z humingi ng bola. Tan, nagtitimon ngayon. Si Tan, driving strong. Pops up. Malakas. No foul. Again, Visto mag-isa. Visto. 2 points, Visto. Visto, 2 points. Kalo, number 28. Kalo against Visto. Z naman, Z. Nice one, Kalo. Sabi nga, Kalo. Escamila, binabatian. Number 28, ipit naman. Number 28, against Jose, wala. And Jose. Ba yan? Hop, teka lang. QDF sensing blood, they need to stop the bleeding. The score is 31-39, 8 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter action. Okay, Implied sa The Towers. Where na you? Dito na me.
QDM basketball.
Correct eh. Pero may dalawa pong naiwan. Napagpan lang sila. 10 games na dapat.
Pero time maintenance ko, di ba? Maintenance tama. O, sige, balik tayo. Okay. 8 minutes remaining. 31-39. Pumasok pala. 8 minutes remaining. 31-39. And Z. Binababa na naman ang bola. Tan, dumaan pang ano ng mapasahan. Duma, nalusot, hindi, nadi sa Rugay, Rugay, no good. Tan naman si Tan, palpal. Tan muli, 2 points si Tan. Consistent si Mr. Tan. Tan, 2 points. 33-39, anim ang kalamangan. Number 7, number 2, Jose, hoop shot, 2 points. Duma, against Jose. Cake pass, si Tan. Ayan si Kalo. Kalo mag-isa. Pops up for 3. Wala. Arugay. 2 points Arugay. Put back. 35-41. Lamang muli po ng 6. Visto number 2. Binababa ang bola. Visto number 2. And to Canyeso. No good. Rebound by Tan. Kalo. Against Jose. Kalo. 28. Kalo. Malakas. Jose. Turn around. Dobitz Visto. For 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by number 7. It's Jose. Simple lang.
Committed by number 15. Number 15.
Bangklasa tala. Bangklasa pag masyadong malaki mga galamay. Ha? Pag masyadong malaki galamay. Jose. First shot ni Jose. Wala. Second shot ni Jose. Jumpers ready. 6:28 remaining. Pops up. Meron. Okay, 7-point advantage na. Been posted na by the projects. Eh, nag-time out po. Ayos ba? Hindi. Okay, sorry. Hindi pala. Nag-sub lang. Harsha again. Coast to coast against Jane. Harsha, Jane. Hoy! Hoy, yun eh. Nahuli nga. Harsha! 2 points, Harsha. Si Harsha. Harsha, the Indian Express. 2 points. Pops up, no good. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 again, Arugay. Uy! Top break. Okay, back to the ball. Muli po tayo. 5-4-2-1 remaining. Visto. Escamilla. Bueng! 3 points. Escamilla 3 points. Again, Harsha against Jain. Huy! Foul! De Fiesta for sure.
Foul number 7 and number 8.
Oh, Visto, kapitin mo nasan? Agoy. Okay, Harsha. Harsha for the inbound. And to Z. Si Z nga, binababa ang ball ni Z. Duma. Gabi. No good. Rebound again by Jose. Jose, binababa ang bola. Jose, kick pass kay Camila. Pops up. Wala. Rebound by Gabi. Gabi, nasan? Nandun siya sa call for a foul. Okay. Number 14, Z. Nagkaroon ng traffic ng konti. Duma against Jain. Duma. Dukot. Wala pa. Bala. Pops up. Jay. Gabi, 2 points. Gabi, 2 points. Basket count made. Number 70, Gabby for the bonus free throw. Number 8, pangalutlo na po yan. 13 pala po ang QR Projects. Pops up. It's in. Okay, 5 na naman ang kalamangan. 5. Visto. Nando siya. Danger Express against the Delhi Double. Okay, ito na. Z. Huy! Offensive foul called. Tama call by QR Projects. Okay, Harsha, Danger Express, and Jain, the Delhi Double. Yeah, magandang ano yan. Matchup yan. Hanap boy muna tayo habang naantay. Okay. Next game po natin po is Implights versus QR Towers. Nandito na kami. Where na you? And afterwards po is of course Cass versus the Sky Team. But for the meantime, enjoy muna po tayo sa QDF versus the Projects. Ito po ang liga ng mga lumilipad. Aviation Friendly League, Doubles of Flying League. Nagtampo ang aking cellphone. Okay, Jain, the Delhi Double. Then si number 2, Visto. What? Ay naku. Rebound battle one by again Harsha. Hoy! Foul call.
25. Number 25. First person foul, 14 foul.
Binababa ngayon ni Gamboa ang bola. Gamboa against Visto. Tan. Si Harsha, binapatay na. Calo for 3. Yes, sirree! Calo 3 points. Dalawa na naman kalamangan ng Team QR Projects. Okay, Delhi. Jain, number 77, the Delhi Double. Ito naman, si Jose, yung kanilang main man. Visto, number 2, pops up for 3. Rope. Again, power rebound, hoop shot, wala pa rin. Okay, 2 points. Let go na yun, huwag nyo nang anin yun. Bati 3 point play pa kayo pag sinabi nila. Let go na yan. Walang bantay. Calo. Gamboa again. Binababa ang bola. Gamboa, 25. Gamboa. Gabby. Calo again for 3. Nope, in and out. Good ball. Same ball. White ball. Sorry. Okay. Visto now kay Jain. Pops up. Nope. Fiesta and uy! Kan, daunang bisa. Tan. Hoy! Okay, ano yun? Meeting yan. Okay, what's the verdict? Okay, Ans Papal call on number 32. Ans Papal po yan. For sure, take 2 si Tan plus ball possession. Chance now for the QDF to inch closer again. Pops up. Tan, no good. Second shot, Tan plus ball possession. And Jose, for sure, kanang umupo ka. Wala rin. Ball possession. Okay, wala. Okay, walang ano, di ata ganun. Di na rin, no. Gabi, Tan. Calo, for 3. Wala. Jose, 32. Sigsang its way. Jose, 2 points, Jose. binawi. Bumawi si Jose. And Tan again, Tan against Jain. Gabi, whoop! Muntik na. Gamboa against Visto. Calo for 3 again. Nope. Jose nandun. Jose to Jane again. Jane, 77. The Daily Double. Wala. Good ball. Rebound by Gabi. Gamboa, kick pass now kay Calo. Diretso mo na yan. Calo. Tako, in and out. Jose, shake and pay. No good. Hop, offensive foul, sabi ng referee. Ref says offensive foul. 43-49, 38 seconds remaining. Third quarter action, matatapos na po. Okay, Gamboa. Binababa ang bola. Number 5 si Tan setting up the pace again. Tan setting up the pace. Pops up. Uy! Yuko po! Costly mistake. Kung kailan naghahabol sila, sayang. Okay, big game. Balik muli po tayo. Ito naman, Visto. Number 2, Visto. 17 seconds. 10 seconds. Jose. Pops up, Visto. Nope. Rebound. Gamboa. 2 seconds. Pops up. Okay, out of time. Okay, after 3 quarters, lamang po ng 6 ang team projects. The score is 43-49. At ano po ito? Ito po ang you're watching right now, Aviation Friend League, Dabas of Flying League. Would like to thank the funny sponsors, Thread the Needles, Team LBC, Hari ng Padala. Nandiyan din po ang SPB ARA o Ako Referee Association and PSBQ Basketball League. First game po tayo is now being played by QDF versus Projects. And of course, afterwards po is QR Towers versus Implights. Kaya QR Towers and Implights, where na you? Dito na me. Okay, back to the ball game. Opensa po ang the white shirts. Your projects po. Okay, final 10 minutes. Final 10 minutes. Okay, Jain, the Delhi Double. Okay, Mr. Delhi Double, Mr. Jain, 77. Kaya double pong tawag sa kanya. And Jain again, Jain driving. Nope, it's passing. Jose for 3. Yes, sir, 3 points. Mayorga, binabantayan si Arsha. Yung Indian Express, binabantayan ngayon ni Mayorga. Calo po 3, ayaw, diniretso muna. Calo! Sayang, traveling ka doon, boy. Nahuli ka.
Legal walking.
Legal. Jaywalking ka daw, sabi. Okay, balik tayo ngayon. Ito na, Visto, Harsh, Jain, si Daisy. Okay, same ball po tayo, same ball. Jain, Mayorga for 3. Wala, rebound by Simir. Nope, it's the yellow shirts. Arugay. Z, kick pass kay Calo. Palpal. Nice block. Clean sweep by Jose. Inbounding yun. Tan. Z again. Z. Nope, it's Arugay. 2 points, Arugay. Ayan na naman. 7 na naman kalamangan. 7 na naman. They need to get na their defense ongoing. Visto. Simil. Jain. Mayorga. Visto again. Ayun. Simil. Out of bounds. Okay. Yellow shirts. Yellow shirts buta. Yellow shirts. Tan. Binababa ang ball ni Tan. Tan, number 5. And Harsha! 2 points, Harsha. 2 points by the Indian Express. Now the Delhi double. And now Jose, the main man. Jose, 6 sideway, turn around. Nope. Again, one more time. Rebound battle, walk by. Simil, nope. Isa pa daw. Simil, nandun. Zizi. Patumatayan. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Okay, chance again to trim down the lead to 5 points. Yeah, 5 points. No, it's not 5 points. 3 points. Again, Anspo foul. Okay, Z. Chance not to trim the lead. Down to 3 points. Plus ball possession pa yan. Z, first shot. Labas muna po, Anspo po yan. Maraming salamat po. Z, first shot. Pasok. Okay, 4 points. Z, second shot, plus ball possession. Basket made, plus ball possession. Okay, laman po ng tatlo ang team The Projects. Z also for the inbound. Harsha, ayaw kay Tan muna daw. Tan, Harsha. Z again. Z. Tapos si Z. And also siya naman. Jose. Visto. In and out. Rebound by Harsha. Kick pass kay Arugay. Binababa ang bola. Harsha. The Indian Express. Indian Express. Hop. Kapos. Sir Owens, 4th quarter na po, sir. 6 minutes remaining. 4th quarter na po yung first game po, Sir Owens. Tan, pops up. Nope. Hop. White ball. White ball again. Simil for the inbound. Jose, binababa ang bola. Visto naman. 6:31 remaining. Mayorga, Visto for 3. Nope. Rebound battle one by Simil. Up. Offensive foul call. Up. Oy, technical foul on Simil. Simil, technical foul call. Unsportsmanlike. For the unsportsmanlike conduct. Technical foul po kay Simil yan. 4 personal po siya. 4 personal fouls po si Simil. Siguro sana dala lang ng laro yan. Arugay, shooting for 2. Take the free throw, Arugay. 2 points. Okay, good. Duma para kay Tan. Quality minutes kay Tan. Harsha, kumuha ng bola kay Z. Harsha calling the shots to Kalo. Kaloy! Offensive foul called. Binawi kagad. Nice D by Mr. Jose. Kalo, pangatlo na yan. Mayorga for the inbound. Sasalo ngayon si Mr. Visto. Okay, kumuha ng bola. Ginagala ng Visto ngayon ng bola. Dinadala, nandun si Simil. Hop, si Daisy. Now, traveling creation called on Simil. Okay, Arugay. 40 minutes kay Arugay. Para kay Gamboa. Okay, Z ngayon, binababa ang ball ni Z. Harsha, number 30. Harsha, nando si Visto. Swiped away. Visto! Uy! Anspo foul called. Okay, Anspo. Umuulan ng Anspo Paul tayo ngayon ah. Umuulan ng Anspo Paul. Huwag yun na kasing habulin. Yan ang ano dyan, pag nakaluspag na una, huwag yun na habulin. Anspo Paul ka tuloy. Z. Foul on Z, number Z. 5 personal fouls, graduate. Visto, good. Second shot, Visto. Plus ball possession. 5:22 remaining. It's out.
Position. Subdivision.
Okay, plus ball possession. Dapat hindi na hinabol yun.
14 seconds to shoot.
Okay, 14 seconds to shoot. Again. Visto. Visto again. Jose. Ayun. Pops up. Simil. 2 points. Simil 2 points. Tan. Tan. Hoop. Kalo. Kalo. Pops up for 3. Offline. Rebound, Jose. Nice D by Harsha.
Nice defense for Mr. Harsha.
Harsha, nice D. Okay, QR Towers, tsaka ano, tsaka implied. Swear na nyo, dito na me. Okay, Jose. Posisyon, Jose. Ayan, Jose nga, na yung mag-isa. Foul number 3. Nope. Rebound by Simil. Simil again. Foul.
Offensive foul.
Again, offensive foul of Simil. Simil, 5 personal fouls, graduate.
Okay, game disqualified.
Simil, 5 personal fouls, graduate. Sunod-sunod ah. Sunod-sunod. 50-57, 4:24 remaining. Gamboa. Kalo, Gamboa again. Gamboa. Duma. Kumat. Silalim. Labas. Kitan. Tan. Kalo. Pops up. Nope. Eh, dalawa siya. Jose. 2 points, Jose. Gamboa, 2 points. Gamboa again, Jose, 2 points yan. 50-59. Hop! Offensive foul. Moving pick. Moving pick po yan, moving pick. Okay, Jane again, 77. To Mr. Visto. Visto, binababa ang bola. Again, Visto. And to Jane. Jane pops up. 2 points. Delhi double, 2 points. Okay, by the Delhi double, 2 points po yan. Harsha naman. Uy, nawala ang bola. Harsha. Harsha against Jane. Harsha, dinidikit na Jane. Harsha. What a play by Harsha. What a drive by Harsha's windmill layup. 52-61, 2:36 remaining. Kaya pa yan. They have to make not the necessary stops for QDF. And Jane! Oh! And one play! And one play for the day. And one play para kay Delhi double. Jade.
5.
QDF go for a timeout. 2:24 remaining, 52-61, a 9-point advantage being posted now by the white shirts. Kayo pa lang? Nasing kasama nyo? Si AJ and Angela. Tatlo pa lang kayo. Tatlo nga lang kayo. Tatlo. Sige, patapos na kasi. Kayo naman. Sige, kasama nyo, boss. Parting na? O, sige. Ha? Ano?
Okay.
1940 to 9 o'clock. Ayan. Oop! Harsha, ito naman. Pops up, Duma, no good. Kasi, isa.
Number 5, not number 3rd personal foul. That's 2
2 minutes remaining. 52-63. Laman ng 11 yon ang The Projects. Visto, binababa ang bola. 1:46 remaining. Visto for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points. Winger. Tan, malakas ang pasakitan. Balik muli po. Sa puti ang bola. A minute and 34 remaining. Jose, Visto again. Number 2, the Festa. Number 8, pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound by the yellow shirts. Duma. Binababa ang bola ni Duma. Duma, driving strong. Hoop. Duma, foul. Cylinder.
May suggestion ako.
Ay, sir.
Minsan, kaya mo.
Pwede, pag naka-break. Wala, kailangan kasi na yan. Pag kasi kailangan na yung zoom na yan. Or pwede rin, naka-streamer na tayo.
Streamer.
Oo. Streamer.
Maabot din kasi kailangan ko pag... Pero okay lang.
Streamer tayo. O restream, pwede yun. Pero stream ka na, may dalawang camera na yun. Isa naka-focus sa score. Isa naman sa may camera, yun ang swivel yun. Pag ano lang, wala pa na yun. Pag production yan.
Di pa nag-earn naman.
Di pa. Tagal pa to. Malayo-layo pa ako. Yung isa nag-earn na, yung isang ano ko. Ay, di pa rin. Pero maano na. Magmalapit na ano. Di pa kasi yun eh. Pang politika yun eh. Papsa, pag-Harsha, no good. Jose, nakalusot. Thank you, sir. Jose, Mayorga. Jose again. 48 remaining. Pops up, ayaw. Mayorga, kapos. Out of bounds, yellow ball. 39 seconds remaining. Hop, Gamboa, binababa ang bola. Gamboa, pops up, no good. Rebound by Jose. Okay, nakawala si Jose naman. 21 seconds remaining, okay, safety basic na po tayo. Pops up, no good. Okay, safety basket tayo po tayo. Mayorga for 3. Wala. Yung muli. Pasok. Okay, that's it. Final score po tayo, 52-69. Winner by 17 points, Team Projects. Okay, again po. Final score po natin po, 52-69 po. Winner po by 17 points po. Yan po ang Team Projects. Maraming salamat po and standby po tayo po sa next game.